basic. This is so basic. Misleading questions are not allowed, especially during cross-examination. Bakit? Kasi if you will ask misleading questions and you will just demand an answer na yes or no, nothing more, nothing less, it will definitely give also a wrong answer. So hindi, sanay na nga tayo sa fake news, pati ba naman sa hearing, magkakaroon pa ng fake news. So hindi po alam ang misleading questions. Kasi para mong niloloko yung witness mo at pipilitin mong sumagot na oo o hindi. Isang lawyer dapat matalas ang tenga mo. Isang mali mo lang talaga dyan. Talagang ma-retain sa'yo yan. So at that time, again, I do not want to judge any comment made by the lawyers. Pero mas mainam, kung marami nang nag-react, kita natin maraming reaction. Right there and then, sana, kinorek niya na.